May papunta din dyan ha. Hills.
Come southwest. Look southwest, 3, 2, 1, tulad isa.
Sa tulod ka isa.
Ay, may kalaban, may party pala yan, boy eh.
Kaya nga.
Putang ina, dahil pala di ko pa. Pre, come southwest. Push. Push. Ready defensive, keep pushing. Push out east. Uy, nice stop, boy. Push out east. Take it on me.
Dito ay pantuman.
Push out east.
Pwede ko tayo dito.
On the ground, boys. 3. Wait. Again. Okay, push lang.
Mount lang tayo sa center ko agadero.
Push out east.
Galaw.
Keep moving. Press. East. 3, 2, 1. On the ground, boys. Nice drop, boys. Come back.
OC, pre.
Good posy, boys.
Ay,
Good
OC ka pala, no?
posy. Pre, Judy on the ground.
Tara, GG.
Heal the crown, boys. Heal on the crown. Brawl them. Loot, pre. Bro. Pre, heal chuckle. Pre, come south. Come south, boys. Pre, look south in 3, 2, 1. South now. Press spread out. Come northeast. Spread.
Healer.
Spread them roll. Southeast, boys, southeast. Ba't nahuli ka dyan? Southeast. 9 seconds on me. Brawl. Northeast. 5 seconds on me, boys. Northeast. Northeast fast. Pre, look east. Wait, look east, boys. In 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. East. Drop. Putang naman, nag-clerical.
Healer.
Brawl. Def. Come northeast. Heal on the Judy. 15 seconds. Come northeast. Brawl them. Walk in. Northeast. Pre, come northeast. Mga healers, come northeast. Keep healing, please. 6 seconds only. 6 seconds. Pre, 5. Northeast. Everyone northeast. 3, 2, 1. Northeast now.
Fuck late.
Tangina mo. Sige, brawl.
Kill this healer.
Ready defensive, please. Defensive. Walk in. Keep walking northeast, please.
Nice one.
Brawl. Come northeast, boys. Please. Keep pushing.
Meron pa sa likod.
Keep pushing, please. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Push east.
Kayo, ingat kayo sa likod.
East.
Gulong.
Pre, east now. 3, 2, 1. East.
Ang ina, knock.
Thank you. Come north. Keep rolling. Come north. Don't give a fuck, boy. Come north.
Meron pa sa likod.
Come north. Heal on the Judy. Come north. Wait, no. Southwest.
Patay mo, to.
Teka, asan ba yung
Sige,
kalaban
sige
na?
lang.
Wala na?
Hold on pa ako.
Sige, northeast. Brawl northeast. Kunin mo itong golem. Sige lang, northeast. Pre, northeast now. 3, 2, 1, northeast. Nice.
Ito, patay mo.
Kill this kid.
Come. Mount
Southwest.
Hindi na kailangan. Gagi. Come on.
Yung point 4 nakuha nyo, hindi? Wow, thank you.
What a jump, boys.
Sayang.
Nice one.
Another blab. Mount up. Regroup.
Meron pa dun. Tara. Regroup.
Samahan mo ko ha. Hindi ko mag-explode.
Hold.
Sige lang.
Asan?
Meron pa ata dito mga loot.
After Black. Nice. Ano pa dito? Let's go.
Mga ko dito.
2 second mo, boy. 3, 2, 1. Drop.
Tara, sunod tayo. May sound blob ah.
Wala. Alis.
Gano
KW. Nagpunta po si ba kayo doon? Di na.
Hindi.
Nag-host ako kanina, yung papunta kami ni Hero.
Ako hindi.
Kung wala ako doon, nako-hold. Ang galing ko.
Ang layo pa namin, good.
Magaling ko pala mag-
Ano ba, di ba kumukonect DPS ko or sadya nahuli lang sila?